Hello students, so in today's class we are going to discuss some probable type of questions which you will get in your online assessment 2 that will be going to conduct from 5th of October. So in that you will get some multiple choice questions, some fill in the blanks type question, and some descriptive type questions like question answer also, and one word question answer also. We are going to do in this session only the objective type questions. And for question answer you can go through the keyword section from your book, and in between the book also there are some questions. You have to go through that one also. So first, so this time you will not get true and false, so we are moving towards the choose the correct option. So what does temperature measures? So it measures degree of hotness of a body and also coldness of the body. That's why number D option is the correct. B, both A and B. Number 2, what are the commonly used reference temperature for constructing temperature scale? So melting point of ice and boiling point of water. So which of the following statement is true? It is aluminium has higher rate of conduction than iron. So which of the following is a reason for sea breeze and land breeze to blow? It is land heats up much faster than water. Then why does an electric heater have a mirror fitted behind its heating coil? Because mirror reflects heat radiation to the in front of the heater. What are Celsius and Fahrenheit? These are the temperature scale. Number B. So in which thermometer is a nick added? It is a clinical thermometer. So it is a form of what? It is a form of energy. Number A is the correct option. Conduction is a primary mode of heat transfer in which of the following? In solid. Convection is a primary mode of heat transfer in which of the following? It is liquid and gas. Then this one word type questions. The scale in which the melting point of ice and boiling point of water are taken as 0 and 100 respectively, it is Celsius scale. The silvery grey liquid used in clinical thermometer is mercury. The breeze that flows from land to sea during night time, it is land breeze. The type of wave via which heat and light energy travels is radiation. A unit of measuring heat energy, it is calories. Clear? So these are from this chapter. So from chapter number 7 there is weather and climate. So in hot and dry climates water is scarce and animals need adaptation to conserve water. So they need to conserve water. Rain gauge is the instrument used to measure the amount of rainfall. Places closer to the equator are generally hot. Phoenix have long ear to help in dissipating heat. In polar region, animals adapt to conserve body heat to stay warm. So, what are humidity, rainfall, snow, cloud cover, etc. called? It's weather elements. What is the climate of the earth as a whole? The distance from the earth from the sun, distance earth from the sun, distance from the earth's equator, and the number C is the earth tilt. So number A and C is the correct answer. So which of these places could be expected to have lower humidity? Jaipur. Then what is the approximate distance of the sun from the earth? It is 149 million kilometer. What does the maximum and minimum thermometer measure? Maximum and minimum temperature. So what would 69% represent on weather report? It is humidity. Which of these help to induce a faster evaporation from animal's body for a cooling effect? So all of these: active sweating, panting and leaking, and flapping of long ears, all of these. Which of these animals are shaped or colored to match their surroundings? Leaf and stick insects. In which of these ways do animals get adapted to their habitats? So all of these. Which of these is the main reason why penguins huddle together to stay warm and fight to fight with their enemies? And these examples you can give their own also. So weather elements: rainfall, humidity, Instrument, there are some other examples you can add that also. Instrument used to measure weather elements, rain gauge, hygrometer. Places that are extreme climates, North Pole, equator region. Animals found in tropical and temperate climate, monkeys, jaguars, you can write other also. Arctic birds that migrate to warmer region during winter, snow geese and Arctic terns. So these are the questions from this chapter. Okay, so please check your answers also. Okay, so from chapter number 9, that is respiration in organism. So fill in the blanks. A series of chemical reactions result in the release of energy by oxidation of food. When the diaphragm contracts, oxygen rich air is taken into the lungs. The windpipe is made up of several ring-like structures held together by cartilage. Plant roots typically take in oxygen available in small space between the soil particles and give off carbon dioxide. Aerobic respiration is the most efficient form of respiration. Choose the correct option. So which of these are like slits and are made up of thread-like structure? Gills. Which of these carries the inhaled air into tiny air bags in human beings? Bronchioles. Which of these carries oxygenated blood from lungs to the heart? Pulmonary vein. Which of these is formed as a result of respiration in plant? So all of these, carbon dioxide, water and energy, all of these. Which of these is formed as a result of anaerobic respiration? Energy, carbon dioxide and ethyl alcohol. Which of these refers to breathing? It is the intake of air rich in oxygen. Which of these do amphibians use to breathe in air on land? Lungs. Which of these helps to pull in oxygen rich air into the lungs? It is expansion of diaphragm. Why do farmers plow the soil? To increase the root respiration. Which of this is true about aerobic and anaerobic respiration? So it is all of this. It is carried out in humans for a short time. It takes place in our muscle cells when we are doing heavy work or exercise. It is common in many microorganisms. So all of these are correct. Then next one is very short answer type. So this example you can give your own also. Animals in which exchange of gas takes place directly from water or air through diffusion. It is leech, earthworm. Animals that breathe through spiracles, grasshopper, cockroach. Animals that breathe through their moist skin as well as their lungs, frog, newts. Organisms that respire aerobically, yeast, fungi. There are so many examples you can give your own also. Okay, so these are the objective type questions. Okay, so please check in your book also. Okay, and please go through the keyword section and question answer, short question answer from your book. Okay, so this was today. So all the best for your upcoming second assessment. Okay, bye bye, take care.